Welcome to the Phoenix Contact Customer Technology Center in Houston, Texas. My name is Jim Massey, Project Engineer with Phoenix Contact. Joining me today is Prateev Thomas, Project Engineer, and Patrick Chia, Field Application Engineer. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the compatibility of the Phoenix Contact 900 MHz ISM band wireless data radio and the PowerLogic ION 8600 intelligent metering and control device. Phoenix Contact wireless technology has certainly come of age, but it must be mentioned that it's always advisable to perform a professional wireless field survey of the area to determine the parameters and logistics of the application, then to map out the wireless design. Phoenix Contact project engineers and sales engineers can certainly assist in your wireless applications. With that in mind, let's join Prateev and Patrick in our lab. This is our applications lab at the Customer Technology Center here in Houston. Let's join Prateev and Patrick already at work on our application.
Hi, my name is Patrick Chia. I'm one of the field application engineer for Phoenix Contact. Today I'd like to show you how we connect the ION 8600 to Phoenix Contact BD bus radio. What we have here is a Square-D ION 8600 power meter, and that is connected via RS-485 cable to a Phoenix Contact radio ISM 900 MHz data BD bus, and that will act as a slave radio in this case, and that will be pulling data using Modbus RTU or ION protocol, the data from the Square-D ION 8600, and that will be transmitted through Phoenix Contact Trusted Wireless 900 MHz radio to the master radio, which is the same radio as the slave radio, the radio ISM 900 data BD bus. And on the master radio, that is connected via RS-232 cable to a laptop in this setup, and we'll be running a ModScan software, which is a Modbus emulator to demonstrate the Modbus RTU protocol, and then we'll do a ION setup software to demonstrate the ION protocol capability. Next, we'll look at the actual setup on the rack. On this rack, we have the Square-D PowerLogic ION 8600 for this model, for this particular testing. And it's set up that it's powered with a single phase, but I have programmed to do a demo mode so we can actually see the numbers changing that we can monitor. And this is connected through a COM port number 1 to our radio here. It's running for RS-485, and we have, this is again the BD bus data radio, and we have 24 volts going to here, and the antenna for this testing purposes we're using just an Omni antenna right here. Another rack where we have the master radio, again that's the same Phoenix Contact radio, BD bus radio, and we have an Omni antenna here. And over here we connected through RS-232 to the laptop over here, and it's connected to the back. What we have here is a ModScan software that is using Modbus RTU protocol, and the device ID is set to 1, which is set on the ION 8600, and we're pulling register 40,011, 40,012, 40,013, and you can see the numbers here. The slave is responding to the pulse, and if you take a look at here, the numbers basically represent is a factor of 10 of the 3 phases, phase 1, 2, and 3, and currently reading, for example, 120 volts and 119.9 volts. So this is basically showing that Modbus RTU, it's working on this setup. Next, we'll take a look at ION protocol with the ION setup software. Here we have the Square-D ION setup software. You can take a look at, basically it's pulling the data using ION protocol and we have phase A, phase B, and phase C. Those three phases of what we're monitoring, and that gives you a total phase here, gives you all the different data of each phases, and there's a lot more information you can get out from there too. But just want to show how that ION protocol also works on the wireless radio, and as you can see, it works both on ION protocol and Modbus RTU, and the setup is fairly straightforward. This concludes our demonstration for the Square-D ION 8600 with Phoenix Contact Radio ISM 900 data BD bus, that we are able to transmit Modbus RTU and ION protocol over wirelessly, and you can see the setup is very simple and very robust. Thank you very much for your time.